In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure swim lanes in Jira. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their workflow and enhance project management efficiency. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your current approach, configuring swim lanes can help you better organize and visualize your tasks. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira board. This is the core of your project management setup and is where you'll make all your configurations. Once you're on your board, look to the top right corner. Here you'll see a set of 3 dots which you need to click on. You're essentially opening up a menu of settings related to your board. From this drop down menu, select Configure Board. This is your main control panel for customizing your Jira experience. Once you're in the configuration settings, direct your attention to the sidebar. You'll see a range of options here. What we're interested in today is the swim lanes section. Click on it. Swim lanes allow you to break down your board into manageable parts, which can be very helpful in visualizing your workflow. Jira offers several predefined options for swim lanes. You can group tasks by queries, stories, assignees, epics, or projects. Each option provides a different perspective on how your tasks are organized and who is responsible for what. For greater customization, let's focus on queries, which enables the creation of swim lanes based on tailored Jira query language or JQL queries. This means you can get very specific about what issues you want to include. Now go ahead and click on Create Swim Lane. This will allow you to set up a new division in your board. Give your swim lane a descriptive and meaningful name. This will help you easily identify its purpose at a glance. After naming it, you'll see a box for JQL input. This is where you enter the query that defines what issues will populate the swim lane. For example, you can type priority equals high if you want to isolate high priority tasks. This allows you to focus your team's attention on the most critical tasks. If you wish, you can also add a description to provide further context about the swim lane's intent, though this step is optional. Once you're satisfied with your inputs, click the Add button. Your swim lane is now active on your board. To fine-tune or alter any existing swim lanes, click the 3 dots at the right-hand side of the swim lane you wish to adjust. This will give you the option to modify it as needed. If a particular swim lane is no longer useful, you can delete it by selecting the Delete option. And there you have it, you've successfully configured swim lanes in Jira. This feature is powerful as it offers you a way to transform your board into a highly visual and organized workspace, tailored to your team's or project's specific needs. It's one of those small tweaks that can make a significant difference in your project management efficiency. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to master Jira.